Jai Srimannarayana, 14th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ananyachetaha satatam yo mam smarati nityasaha tasyaham sulabhah pardha nityayuktasya yoginaha. Om. In this given your precious life, make sure only Sri Krishna Paramatma is your exclusive goal. Always, continuously, constantly remember only Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma saying, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall have you as my exclusive goal. I shall remember you always, continuously, constantly. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 63rd day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the entire Nanda Maharaju's place is getting decorated with so many dhvajas and patakas, garlands, garments and mango leaves. Everyone's house was washed and beautifully decorated. Gavo vrushaha vatsataraha hridra taila dushitaha. The Gopalas decorated all of their cows, bulls and calves. They put turmeric powder and oil. They pasted on cows and calves, and they decorated them with so many beautiful garlands. Not only that, Maharha Vastrabharana Kanchuka Vushnisha Bhushitaha. Gopalas, those boys also wore all new garments and decorated with ornaments took some presents and reaching Nanda's house. Now Gopikas, Yashodayaha Sutodbhavam. Yemi nomu phalamo inta proddoka varta vintimi abalalara veenulalara mana Yashoda chinni mogavani kanenata chuchi vattamamma sudatulara. Gopikas came to know that Yashoda gave birth to son. They felt very happy, and all the Gopikas now wearing all beautiful new garments, saris, and decorating themselves with so many ornaments. Navakunkuma kinjalka mukha pankaja bhutayaha. They are having beautiful bottu, tilakam, and decorating their hair, and with so much of beautiful lotus-like faces, all the Gopikas reaching to Nanda's house to see Yashoda, Nanda's son. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 14th sloka. Ananya Chetas Satatam Yo Mam Smarati Nityashaha Tasyaham Sulabha Pardha Nityayuktasya Yoginaha. Ananya Chetas Satatam Yo Mam Smarati Nityashaha Tasyaham Sulabha Pardha Nityayuktasya Yoginaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.